Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to install Qwen 3.6 locally in your PC without internet connection. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, download the LMStudio from the LMStudio AI website. After downloading this program, launch it. Okay, now we want to load the model. If you want to see how to download and install the Gemma 4, you can watch the video in the description. Okay, let's search for our model, Qwen. Okay, search for model result. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's search for Qwen 6. Okay, this is the final version of this program we wanna download right now. Search like this and select it. After that, go here and choose any model as you want. Okay, for me, I want to choose this key 4. It works best for 12 gigabytes of VRAM or 8 gigabytes of VRAM long memory GPU. After that, click download and the downloading is begin. Okay, fine. Download is completed. Now you can load it from this. Okay, let's load this model, or you can go right here and choose the model as you want. Okay, for me, this is my model. Let's add. Okay, let's see. I want to create Instagram. Let, okay, let's see. It's thinking right now. Okay, let's close the internet and let's see it works or not, because it's locally. Okay, as you can see, it works fine without the internet.